Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to export Asana to Excel. So when I say export Asana to Excel, it simply means that if you have projects in Asana, you can easily export this and have it in Excel. So how do you do it? Once you're in Asana, go ahead and click the projects that you want on the left hand side. So I'm going to click this project right here. And in order to export this project into Excel, you want to click the little drop down arrow here right next to the project name. This is where you'll find sync and export, and you want to go ahead and export the project task as a CSV. You can also do that in Google Sheets if you so desire. But for Excel, go ahead and export task as CSV. Then from here, you can choose if you want only custom fields in the project or you want all the custom fields including those multi-home tabs task as well. Go ahead and choose whichever you want and then simply click and export. Now this is going to export it for you, as you can see in Excel right here, CSV, and you can import this within your Excel. And that's it. Very easy and very simple.